DAV Model School, Sector 15A, Chandigarh is quite enthusiastic to submit its prototype for the main sub-theme Swadeshi and for life, lifestyle for environment. The team name that is representing our institution for Swadeshi theme is Shilpkar. A pilot survey was designed and conducted by the team students to find the problems that are adversely affecting the environment and living. Being the social science students, many other students helped the team students to conduct that survey. All students found a common environmental challenge that has been adversely affecting the rural and urban living. The problem is excessive use of plastic and plastic garbage in the surroundings. Students found use of plastic bags, plastic bottles and pots and other material used in day-to-day life. With detailed discussion among students, the teacher introduced the concept of use of other alternative products instead of the plastic bags and bottles and pots as a solution to the stated problem. Hence, the students learned to make the paper bags and cloth bags and encourage one and all to use paper bags and earthen pots instead of the plastic material. The use of plastic in any form is an alarming situation for all of us as plastic has adverse effect on the environment, people, plant and wildlife. This is a reason for the infertility of land. To handle the plastic waste is another task before people, society and government. Under Make in India project and skill development programs, the students have been learning many skills regularly. This still can be further considered as vocational education as students can take the skill to the other level also. For this purpose, the students of the Shilpkar team first learned to make paper bags and to decorate the earthen pots. Thereafter, they imparted this knowledge to the younger students. The younger students wholeheartedly learned this skill and promised to use paper bags and earthen pots in their day-to-day life. Students also encouraged their parents, friends and neighborhoods to use the same. They promised to make a better lifestyle for environment by encouraging the local communities with this vibrant and useful solution. The problem or hypothesis drawn by the students as the outcome of the pilot survey was excessive use of plastic. Plastic contaminates the water, soil and air, and it is a reason for various health problems among masses across the globe. And this led to the students of the Shilpkar team to implement the use of eco-friendly material in the environment as a solution to this problem. The use of plastic or the adverse effects of plastic isn't just limited to one region, it's a global crisis. A crisis that needs immediate intervention.